you want a focal point for your wedding ceremony? Do you want to make a statement at your wedding? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my flower wall. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Adria of Adria Celebrations, a floral and event design company. Our goal is to share wedding planning tips, decoration tips, and some DIY. Floral walls are very trendy now. A lot of couples use it as a backdrop for their vows, or behind their sweetheart table, or as a photo booth. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my floral wall. For this flower wall presentation today, we're going to be using floral mats, pre-made, and we're going to be using zip ties. And lastly, you'll need a pipe and drape set. Okay, so we're going to start with our flower mats. So you turn them down, upside down, and then you use your zip ties to attach them. I normally use 2 zip ties to attach on one side. Of companies do sell these flower mats. You can find them in places like Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's might have it, or any store you follow online might also have the flower mats. And of course, you can make your flower walls too. But this is how I choose to do mine. Okay, so we have done our first panel. Isn't that lovely? Isn't it beautiful? Ready to make a statement, right? Okay, so I'll be needing for this flower wall 5 panels, which I have already pre-attached. So let's go ahead and make this flower wall. So to attach the flower panel to the pipe and drape, I have Ruke, my daughter, assisting me with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and attach it. You'll be seeing the video from the back so that you see how I attach the floral panels to the pipe and drape. Okay. Okay, so this is how the flower wall looks after attaching it just on the top to the pipe and drape set. So right now I'm going to raise it up and then go ahead and attach each one to each other at the back. Stay tuned. So this is the basic flower wall. When you're done, you just plop it out because the flowers have been squashed a little, and we're ready to make a statement either with our wedding ceremony backdrop or background, on our sweetheart table, or even as a photo booth. So if you like this flower wall, please share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.